Trading it across Africa and the rest of the world. But for the country, I am really one of the main pioneers. Probably when I started trading. Hi guys, Dr. Refoin Shaman, Forex trader, your mentor, your favorite mentor, online mentor. Today is a very wonderful day. It's a special day because of we're celebrating a very big day. It's called the non-farm payroll. Just to quickly, recap you for a little bit, those who don't know me. Dr. Refoin is someone who's, before he's called a doctor, before he was honored with a doctorate, is a trader. And then he's someone who's been in the trading industry for 10 years now. I've been trading for the past 10 years. I started when I was 16 years old. Actually, I've sacrificed all my childhood into this thing, into pioneering it and really spreading it across Africa and the rest of the world. But for the country, I am really one of the main pioneers. Probably when I started trading, there were just under 10 guys. And we've got, I think, millions now, people really getting introduced into trading. So there's been quite a long journey in the Forex industry. We've seen so many people coming up now. We see on Instagram, we see on Facebook, we see so many people on YouTube. We see so many traders right now becoming successful in it. When I started trading, there were not so many successful people in trading, so we had to really have a self-motivation. But now I think you guys are very fortunate because of you are in the era now of so many traders who are making money online. So I think for you guys, we are very, very fortunate. You are in a very favorable era of trading because of now you really have motivation, you really find confidence and getting so much boost from people outside. So people outside there who are making money in trading, they are really giving you a lot of motivation. So of course we are going to have so many people who are also scammers. There's going to be, in each and every single thing in the world, there's going to be just the negative aspect of it. There's going to be people losing, there's going to be people, there's so many other things. But with myself and, thousands of other traders, other people out there, traders and mentors, we have tried to really minimize the losses, mitigate the risks, and then really show the profitable side to everyone. So I think when I'm looking at the journey, my journey, I'm seeing that I've come really a long way. I've come a very, very long way in trading. I'm probably one of the first people to do seminars, Forex seminars. We've been in the game. That's what I can say. We've been really in the game. So as I'm saying to you, I started trading at the age of 16. What were my peers doing at the age of 16? They were at school. They were at grade 9, grade 10. Some of them they went to university. I was still in trading. Some of them right now are corporate moguls. They're in the CEO. Some of them are lawyers. Some of them are doctors. Some of them are engineers. I'm still in trading. So they find me here. I always say people who will find me here and leave me here. If the people who will find me here and still stay with me here are very strong mentally, because of many people come to trading, think it's an overnight thing, and then they were like, oh, this is not what I thought, then they leave. So there's something called a procrastinator, but we'll go deeper into that. That is a market prophet. That's what I'm called right now. So we are at the very serious levels now of trading. So trading as a whole, it's nothing new. Trading is nothing new. It's something that has been there even before I started trading. But what we did is that we brought the flamboyance, we brought the taste into it. Trading was always there. I know for sure. Even you, I'm sure you can see people there. You can go to maybe a restaurant. When you go to the restaurant, there are people that you will always find at the restaurant every single day, whether it's in the morning, afternoon, at evening. These people are always on their laptop most of the time. It's the white guys. They're always there. Hey, how are you, sir? They just leave it there. It's okay. They're quick. So I've always been inspired by people who just make money from, sitting wherever they want. And that is what I think is called financial freedom. And I think many people are missing it. Financial freedom is actually, you hear the word freedom. There is freedom in your finances. So in other words, you can be a CEO, you can be a director, you can be a doctor, you can be earning 50,000, 60,000, I don't care. But so long as you cannot do your own decisions, you cannot make your own decisions, you cannot go where you want to go at any time you want to go, then I feel like you're not financially free. So financial freedom is the ability, it's a gift of life. Being anywhere you want to be, anytime you want to be, doing whatever you want to do, buying whatever without looking at the price tag. It's just something that it's part of joy, and I think it's God's greatest blessing. If anything, this is a blessing. So trading is really being a blessing. Today I'm celebrating a very wonderful day. So I was trading on my own. I was making money on my own, and then with I started a company called the African Forex Institute. And when I started the company, African Forex Institute, it has always become, each and every company that I've started, it's always become from someone asking me, hey man, teach us how to trade, So, because we are making it, everyone is seeing that there's a young guy, in the hood, he's making it. So they were coming to me, teach us how to trade. So I opened the African Forex Institute, and then I later on left the company for my business, to my brother, and then now I ventured into something else called Forex AMG. So Forex AMG, it's also an educational center as well, but not only that, it's much bigger than that, because of the vision of it is to have a hedge fund, is to have brokerage, is to have financial firms. Actually, Forex AMG is a financial technology, it's a fintech. It's beyond just a broker, it's not beyond just a tutoring service. So I opened a Telegram group called Forex AMG, which currently has over 40,000 subscribers. And what has been happening is that for the past years, today the 50th month, I've been giving out, even before I opened the Telegram, I've been giving out signals. So what are signals? Signals is when I'm telling you to buy or to sell. It's not really advice, but it's just what you call a trade idea. I'm giving you an idea that this is what I'm doing. You want to follow me, it's up to you. So, and then that's what has been happening. We have over 40,000 subscribers with over at least 10,000 testimonials. We've really impacted so many people in that group. And then it has been a very wonderful journey. Today we are having the 50th NFP celebration. So NFP is an event that happens every first Friday of every month. So it has been something that I've been successfully, giving people, helping people trade it, because it's one of also the hardest events to trade, Forex events. I'm talking fundamentals now. So it's wonderful. Let's see what we've got today. Let's see what are the celebrations. It's a given. Thank you so much. Let's see. Follow me as I go deeper. So what I'm going to do is that before I trade, I need to, because it's a big day. Remember, this is not my personal trading. In a way, I'm being followed by over 40,000 people. So because I'll be followed by over 40,000 people, what I'm going to do is that I won't just start trading. There are some habits that I do that have helped me to become successful in my trading, and so many other things. And I think people who have followed me have seen my series when I talk about hidden wisdom, and I talk about the different types of wisdoms and strategies, and there's so many things that I've been teaching about life in general, philosophy. So there are some philosophical things that I do myself. These are what is called rituals. But ritual, people are always thinking a ritual, they're thinking, yeah, you're going to be killing someone. No, the ritual is something that you repetitively do that is working for you in the achievement of your desire. So there are rituals that every successful person does, or rich people do each and every single day, or every now and again. So my ritual, I'm about to show you what I do, and then let's connect and see how we can help people. Because at the end of the day, it's all about helping the next person. I can always just move away and just make my own money, move. But I'm always here. So I'm helping people. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm impacting people in the right way. So let's see what the inspiration has for us today. Intuition will kick in. Watch the space. Thank you.
Ai, io yona prachodayat, Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsavitu Varinyam Bhargore Vasyarimai Dio Yona Prachodayat Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsavitu Varinyam Bhargore Vasyarimai Dio Yona Prachodayat Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsavitu Varinyam Bhargore Vasyarimai.
Yeah, so what I was doing there is meditation. So meditation has been something that has been helping me for so long now. It's a holistic approach to my life and to how I approach my businesses and approach my trading. So meditation, I think every trader, once said it in an interview with one guy called Lisiba, said every trader, if they want to master psychology of trading, the psychological side, then meditation has to be one arsenal that they carry in their weapon base, in their inventory. So what I was just doing now was meditation. So in meditation, there's so many things that you can do in meditation, but the meditation that I'm doing is not the one that is mostly advertised. It's not the one that you are really exposed to. Because of, if you heard me, there was a time I was even doing what is called a mantra, and I was doing specifically one that is called Gayatri mantra. So what I'm doing is that because of this is not something that I do all the time. I'm talking to you like and meditating before trading. It's because of now I'm going to be talking to guiding over 40,000 people in my Telegram group. It's a 50th NFP session. I had to pray about it because meditation for me is also part of prayer. It's actually one of the highest forms of prayer, a practical prayer. So what you saw me with my hands, what I was doing there, those are called mudras. So it's just a very serious spiritual science on its own. And if you can check on YouTube, I'm also teaching about these things. There's a series that I opened called The Hidden Wisdom. So it's a story for another day. Really, today we're celebrating NFP, but I was just telling you, don't be shocked. I'm like, what is he doing? I want to say, no, I told you this guy's a witch. No, it's not a no. What we are doing here, we are praying. And we are saying that may this day become successful and 100% successful. And definitely it will, because there's just no way that I can do this and not become successful, because it is my way of life. I said to you, every rich person, every wealthy person has a way of life, has a philosophy on how to approach things that is working for them. Even the most successful or coaches, with those people who are awake, consciously awake, they can see. Actually, me, where I am, I can sit in any area, any place, and I can see if someone does something or a ritual to become successful, or they're doing something repetitively. When I talk about the ritual, I said something repetitively done. I'm not talking about other things here. So they're doing things that make them successful, and you can see by their winning rate that their success, winning in life, winning and losing, those things must be at least 50-50. You must not lose too much. Losing too much, I think something is going on really, really bad there. Winning too much, also something this guy is doing very right. I wonder what is he doing. Is he doing it consciously? Some people are doing things consciously, some people are doing things unconsciously. But if this guy is doing things, is he doing consciously or unconsciously? But you cannot win all the time. Come on, let's be honest now. what happens to, remember, life is yin and yang. So someone who's always winning all the time, you need to study that person and know what they're doing. So this is one of the things that I do majorly so for the past 10 years. And meditation helps me to reduce the stress, anxiety, because to talk to over 40,000 people is not easy. I can't just wake up now and talk to 40,000 people. What? Tell them what? Why? What? Yeah. It's an anxiety. I mean, if everyone could do it, if this thing was possible, everyone would do it. Everyone would be giving signals over 40,000 people. Everyone would. It's not easy. This thing. There's something psychological that I need to suppress. I need to suppress some emotions here. Very serious emotions. Fear, anxiety. Hey. And someone says, wow, this guy is a genius. He doesn't even get scared. He's not even afraid. Wow. There's some things that I did before. I had to build up there. You see people in the Olympics. Check your TV, check the Olympics. You see people running 50 kilometers. You think it's something you can just wake up and do. It's not. You can't. Those people, they do things before that event. You know what, that's fine. You know what, those who, it's fine. Let's celebrate NFP today. What I saw, if you saw me, I cup my hands like this. Sometimes it is when I want to go into the other, deeper levels that I will not explain now. And I will tell you, when I said prophetic master forex trader, people that thought I just used the prophetic term. I saw another guy using it, I stopped using it. But I was the one who introduced the term. I coined the term prophetic master forex trader. But some people started to, just like people that are calling themselves doctors now. I took that thing and I spoke it for a reason, but people didn't catch it. So I already saw the future. The future, it says we are winners today. I don't care. Sharp. That's it. So yeah, these are the guys that I'm busy with. We're pushing today. They're joining me today for the NFP session here at home. We're still going to open a trading floor, because a trading floor will allow us to, have more people coming in. And then probably with an access fee, people can come in and, trade every day. Have a big, floor. And I think that's a great idea, to have a big floor. So far now, this is my floor for now. This is where we always have meetups, in the lounge outside. So this is the guys, these are they can't, it's not easy for them to come also. They need to be having a certain net worth. Of course. There must be a certain net worth. They must be allowed to come. They must be allowed to come. So, no, that's wonderful, guys. Let's see what we've got. We're probably going to go up to the office and see what's up. And exciting stuff. We have over 40,000 people waiting on the direction today. They want to know what I will say. So in other ways, I'm also a market maker, because of whatever I say, whether the news are going this or the news will have to just follow what I say, because I'm a market maker. 40,000 people following you, it's a big thing. So some way it changes the price, because it takes at least $10 million for one pip to move. So I don't know how much 40,000 people are having all the volume. But probably they can move 10 pips in our direction, and that's fine. I mean, me with 100 lots, I'm okay. 50 lots, I'm okay, really. It's fine. Watch the space. Thank you. Very interesting, eh?
Very interesting. Very interesting. Interesting.
The NFP is out, so we are analyzing the data. We are looking at exactly what is happening. Remember, the NFP is actually the non-farm payroll. What is the non-farm payroll? It is how many jobs are added onto the market within the previous month, except the farmers, so non-farm payroll. So let's look at it. So you don't want to know 2:45. You know, every 15 minutes. So how it closes, it tells us what is the overall decision. So we just finished analyzing the data. We noticed a lot of bullish strength in the dollar. So we are definitely going to be looking into selling the euro and also selling the pound against the dollar, by the way. So we are pretty excited with the news. Extremely strong data coming out. And unemployment rate, I think, is also one of the historic unemployment rates. We saw a lot of jobs, over 900,000 jobs added. That is surpassing the forecast. I think that's quite a good news for the day. Let's see what happens.
Euro is this trigger.
We still looking at the market, looking at the position, still having a struggle at our support zone. I think it's now 1 hour, 10 minutes in, so still haven't found any break. Instead, we found bounces like wicks, which are rejection candles. So now we are waiting. We want to see. So there are two options right now. It's either you can just break even because of that is exactly where it is, our entry, or you want to see how far it can go, and that's now where you really have to really be sure of what you're doing. So let's just see what's going to happen. Personally, I'm not too excited about the wicks or the spikes here. But I do know that in terms of fundamentals, when news are involved, we can find orders coming in that can surpass this zone. So we can only wait and see. On top of that, the 4-hour candle is about to close now, which means the long-term traders, it's even worse now. So remember, it's a Friday. So even the people who do what is called weekly traders or position traders, they are going to close they're going to close profit soon, and then even people who do intraday, they're going to take profit soon. 4-hour guys, swingers, scalpers. So let's see. I'll give you an update again. What happens? USD right now we're in profit with GBP USD sell. I did say that the news came out positive for the dollar, but you cannot just take the news as positive and then you just go in. Oh yeah, so finally we did end up going where we wanted to go. The profit did really come in, as you can see. It's still moving very excitingly. It did end up breaking, as I said that we are waiting for the break. It did end up happening. So clearly we were always on the right track, and the profits are talking for themselves. My gentleman there is also in profit on this side. You can check here, he's in profit on this side here. Us also there. So I think we are really done for the day. Thank you so much. It's time for celebrations. Hey, tada. The people are happy, the people are happy, the people are happy, the people are happy, the people are happy. People are happy, 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 people are happy. People are happy, and what's so nice, everyone has a result, everyone is just posting results, everyone is like, oh, people are happy, so, oh, we love it, Dr. Nice, power.
Che lo è buona che?
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Celebrating 50th NFP anniversary, guys, wonderful. Thank you so much for being part of the trading journey over the years. We've been in the game. We did again, we closed it in style, and we're not done, right? We're not done. So long as poverty exists in this world, we're still going to work to decrease it. Shire! Shire!